welcome back to my channel. I know you all just saw me, but we are going to be doing a second video. Woo! So like I said in the last video, I'm going to be going over the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette that I got in this month's boxycharm. I didn't use it during my video because I had gotten two palettes and I went with the other one, so now I'm going to do a little look with this one. I've tried to film this 3 times. The first time I started it, I got my face done, I went to go start my eye look, and then my mom showed up because she was coming to visit and stay the night. So I hung out with her instead. And then the next day, I did this entire look and the eye look, but I was busy and in a rush, so I didn't have time to film it. But now we are sitting down, we have time, Robert is gone, I have the house to myself, I can be as loud as I want, and we are gonna do it. So if you all saw my last video, you saw how to get this beat to death face. And now we're going to be going over eyeshadow. Before we jump into the video, I just want to go over a few little new things that I've gotten that you can keep your eye out for that's going to be coming up on the channel. And then some things that I've gotten already that I finally had a chance to try out and have an opinion on. I'm going to put lipstick on real quick. Okay, much better. I don't feel so necky. So if you're wondering, this is ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip and Tulle. Okay, so we are going to go on and talk about a face milk. I haven't got to try it out. These are the things that I haven't tried out yet. So for the Lunar New Year, ColourPop came out with a whole collection, and I got the face milk from it because I just love their face milk so much. This is their white tea face milk. It's supposed to be replenishing and a moisture booster. It's nourishing. Looks like this, and it is a full 1 ounce. All the other ones I have are ½ ounce. This one is a full, and it says a lightweight moisture booster that softens and hydrates skin, formulated with white tea, rice milk, and hyaluronic acid to replenish moisture for a healthy looking complexion. The rice milk is supposed to support and enhance skin softness. White tea is known for its antioxidant properties. And hyaluronic acid, well, we all love it. We all know it. It's to deeply quench skin with vital hydration by attracting and binding water within the skin surface. Rice milk is also going to give you a gentle glow. And I just love this pack, like, so festive. I love it. But this is that, and it's in gold. So this one is pretty, it's in gold, and then the other ones, they're in a black writing. And for a size comparison, I mean, there it is. 1 full ounce, ½ ounce. Here. The next item we are gonna go over is more face milks. I got the Milky Ray set, which is super cute. 4th Ray, Milky Ray. And it has coconut, chamomile, papaya, rose, and avocado. Like I said in my last video, the papaya is my favorite. I love the smell. I love the way it makes my skin look. If you're gonna get just one face milk, I haven't tried the rest of these yet, so I can't speak just from these, but from my other set that I had, which was the acai, the matcha, the turmeric, the papaya, and the watermelon. Papaya is my favorite. Get the papaya. You won't be sorry. So the avocado is supposed to be nourishing and moisturizing. The rose is soothing and moisturizing. The papaya is revitalizing and moisturizing. The chamomile is calming and moisturizing. And then coconut is nourishing and moisturizing. So I'm super excited to try these out. I was running low. I'm running low on my watermelon one at work, so I need to replace that. I'm out of my papaya one. Super excited, got a new one. And then, you know, just to try them and see which ones I like for different occasions, which ones, if I like any of them better. Plain face, like I like the turmeric, it has a little bit of shimmer in it. It makes my skin look super glowy, so I wear that to work in the morning because I don't wear makeup to work. So we will be trying those out soon. The next 2 items, I am so excited. I had them on my Christmas list, but I didn't get them. But that's fine, because now I have them, and I'm so excited, and the packaging was gorgeous, and I'm just so excited. So the first one we're gonna go over, I hope y'all didn't see that and it got ruined, is the So Jaded palette from ColourPop. It's a collab between Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. And I don't know if y'all have watched Kathleen Lights. If you haven't, go to her channel, check her out. She is so cute, she's so funny, and she's so good at makeup. She is so, so talented. This is the carton it came in. Look at that. Like, isn't that stunning? It's so amazing. And then the back, like, the attention to detail is so cute. Like, most of the time it just tells you the colors of the circle. They're little stones, little gems. So it does say that topaz is, you know, one of those colors not safe around use in the eye or whatever. But we will be doing a little sneakaroo play around in an upcoming video with that one. And here is the actual palette. And then let's do this thing. Look at all those gorgeous, gorgeous jewel tones. Like this, and like this. And then, you know what? Just all of it. All of it. I'm so excited to use it to play and to mess around. So if you guys want to see looks from this or have a certain color, look it up. If you have certain colors you want me to try, or you see looks you want me to recreate, send them to me. Let a girl know. I'll help you out. So there's that palette. Super exciting. The next palette, I am so excited. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. I couldn't not have it. It is the Bare Necessities ColourPop palette. So they look like, it is a soft touch, kind of leathery feel. If you can see, it's kind of like snakeskin almost. But the inside is just as beautiful. La 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 la. Look at all these. Look at all the undertones. You have like purples, you have creams, you have silvery, you have the green undertones, you have some red like, it is so stunning, and you can create so many looks just from this. We will be critiquing, talking about all these palettes in an upcoming video. Don't you worry. So the last thing to talk about is a skincare product that I got in the December Boxy Lux. I hadn't tried it yet, but I have now. I've decided to just make it my shower face wash. I have one at work, I have one in my shower, and then I have one that I use at night. And it is the Soy Face Cleanser from Fresh. Y'all, if you love the smell of cucumbers, you will love the smell of this. I love the smell of cucumbers. It smells so good. This face wash was so nice. It was really light. It didn't feel super thick or clogging on my skin. It wasn't it's more runny and watery than I thought it was, because, you know, like if you've used the Glam Glow one, it's a thicker consistency. This one is thinner, but I really, really like it, especially in the shower. It's just super easy to use, and I have no complaints so far. So now that we've gotten those updates out of the way, we will go on in and start on the eyeshadow. This look that I've been doing lately is super easy. It has 3 colors, and so it's kind of foolproof. So we will be going over that, and we will get started. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is, here, I don't wanna blind you all. This color, it's like a peachy pink. It's called She's Lit. Lit. So we're gonna go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. It's kind of flat, but round. And we're just gonna dip into that color. Tap off the excess, and we're gonna put this in our crease. To keep the eye look kind of rounded, I don't want a super winged out today. These shadows are so pigmented. They are so pretty, but they're not like overly pigmented that you have to watch with how much you go in with. They're nice and buildable and blendable. And the palette smells amazing. So when you're using it, it smells so good. This is such an easy everyday look. I mean, it's nothing super winged out. I don't use fake lashes. I don't use top liner. It's basically like an everyday quick 5-minute look when you're not stopping to talk between every move you make. So the next color we're gonna go in, we're gonna actually, I guess I lied, it's 4 colors. We're gonna go in with rumtiki and saucy and bossy. So these 2 colors, at my point, yeah, these 2 colors right here, we're just gonna dip into both. And put that outer corner and in, just right below. So last color for the lid, we're gonna go and dip into this gold color right here, and it's called tfti. I don't know what that means. And we're just gonna go in with this small rounded flat brush right here. It's from Eco Tools. I picked it up like in high school at Walmart. So we're just gonna kind of flat and tip in, and then drag that out. Now this shade is really pretty, but I'm not really that impressed with the way that these laid down, the shimmer like glitter metallics laid down. They're very hard to move around. Like where you put it is where it stays. You can drag it out a little, but you really have to like work it. There is some fallout, so I'm gonna go on and wipe that off. It's nothing terrible. So if you want, you can put like powder under to catch it, but it's nothing too bad that like it's messing up my makeup underneath. So now I'm gonna go in with a under eye color, but it is so light and quick. We don't do a full eye. So I'm gonna go back in with Saucy and Bossy, and then Rumtiki. And then I just like right on the outer part of my eye, drag that along the lower lash line. So now I'm just gonna go into the highlight that I used with my face today, which is the Precious Petals Wet n Wild. I'm gonna hit my eyebrow bone. Haven't done that in a while, in a hot minute. And I'm gonna hit the inner corner. Okay, and there's the eyeshadow. I mean, super easy, super quick, and I mean, not that many colors. So, just feeling myself real quick. So now I'm gonna go on and finish the eye look. Super easy to finish the eye look. I use my Big Ego Tarte mascara. And I use my BFF cream gel liner from ColourPop and Call Me. And I will be right back. Okay, so here's the final look. Super easy. Like I said, you can really smoke out those lash lines just with your liner. Go in hard with them, make them a little bit more dramatic since we're not going in with an upper wing. Or you can make this look your own. This is just how I do it, so I can have a quick, easy day look where all I have to do is grab my eyeshadow palette, my mascara, and my eyeliner, and I will be done. I don't even necessarily need the inner corner highlight or anything like that because there's a pale shade in this palette that you can use. It's not shimmery, but it's still a highlight color that I can use. So yeah, that's it for this look. Super quick, super easy. I poked myself in the eye like I do every video, but now my eye's really red. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was quick, easy. With this palette, we'll go on and give you a few more details about it. There are 6 shimmery shades and 6 mattes. And they look like this. So shimmer, 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 shimmer. Matte, 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 matte. Super easy. It has a nice little mirror in it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's see if I can get her. There's Layla. There's my Layla. But yeah, that is the palette. Super easy. There was a little dusties in the pan. Nothing major. Tap it off. Keep it in the pan. Use it next time. And then there was a little bit of fallout, but again, like I said, nothing major. Nothing that with the colors that I used for this look, that made me feel like I need to put powder underneath to catch it all. They blend like a dream, so nice, and they build beautifully. So I don't have any complaints other than the shimmers, how they kind of don't come off easily. Maybe if I went in with like a tacky base, kind of like with concealer, or if I used like a little setting spray on my brush, maybe that would help. So I will have to play around with that. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this look. I really appreciate you watching this video and all the support you all have given me. I hope that you all give this a thumbs up, please, 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 and go on and subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell notification so you can get notified when I do upload. And then go follow me on my other social media, say hi, send me your ideas, anything, you know, that you want me to try and recreate or anything like that. And then, yeah, I hope you all have a great day, a great night, wherever you are when you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.